This is a SMO Junior 2018 Round 2 question. The question says that there are number 1 to 100 to be placed into two unlabeled boxes. We let A to be the product of all numbers in one box and let B be the product of all numbers in another box, with the condition that GCD of AB equals 1. We are asked to determine the number of ways that this can be done. Let us consider this. If the number 2 in the first box, then all the even number has to be placed in the same box as well. If not, the GCD of AB is at least 2. So the conclusion is that if 2 is to be placed here, then all the even numbers have to be placed in the same box. How about 3? Since 2 is inside here, one of the multiple, 6, also be inside the same box. And therefore, 3 cannot be put here, otherwise the GCD is at least 3. And therefore, 3 has to be placed in the same box as 2. Likewise, 10 will be in the same box, and therefore it will force 5 to be the same box as well. And we will see that all the prime numbers below 50 will be in the same box as 2. And not only that, any multiple of these prime numbers will be also placed in the same box as 2's. So what we left here is only the prime numbers that are greater than 50. And how many of them? We'll list out here. 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. And we have altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And don't forget, we can also place 1 in any of this. I forgot to mention just now that the condition from the question is that none of these boxes to be empty. So we need to place at least one element in this. We have to also note that these two boxes are unlabeled. So let's say A go to one of the box, let's say this box. Okay, all these numbers will also follow to the same box. Now it is their choice is either go to the same box as 2 or the other box. For each of them, they have 2 choices, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have a total of 11 elements. Each of them have 2 choices. So the number of ways will be equal to 2 to the power of 11. But we have to bear in mind that the case where all the numbers go to the box same as 2's is not allowed. And therefore, we need to minus 1. And therefore, the answer should be equals to 2048 minus 1. That is 2047. So 2047 is the answer for this question. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.